Good morning. Y'all know for sure one thing about it. We don't take off this wrap until we get to where we're going to see what these edges looking like. But because I'm going to ride and chat with y'all this morning, I have to take it off. Well, if it's bright enough, I'm going to ride and chat with you all. But it may not be bright enough. So if not, I'm going to figure out a way to come back and talk to you all. Let's see. Nope. And I can't ride down the street with this light on. Let's see if I can get out the driveway. Y'all know I still can't back out my driveway straight. After all these many years, this lighting is going to be terrible though, I think. But we're going to see how it comes out. But what get all situated here. This morning, y'all, what we're going to talk about is fall and change. So y'all know when it's fall time, it's time to make changes. You have to make changes with the weather. You need to make changes in your life just like the seasons do. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Change, change, change. Okay, this is what I need for you all to do. I need for you all to get to Walmart, Target, Dillard's, whatever is your favorite place, and get these kids some fall and winter clothes. We don't need them coming, standing at the bus stop, going to school with their summer attire on. Your child needs long sleeve clothes. Okay, let me tell y'all, you say, well, SweetPea, everybody don't have some money. You can go to Walmart. Your job is just to make sure that they are properly dressed for the weather. So SweetPea, what am I gonna buy once I get to Walmart? Once you get to Walmart, you're gonna start from the head, go all the way down to the feet. Get your child some nice hats and gloves set. You can even go to Dollar Tree and get that if you don't want to say spend a lot of money. But I know nobody is cheap or tight when it comes to spending money with their kids. We get Lincoln one nice expensive set, and then I go to Dollar Tree and just grab a bunch of them. Because what do children do? They lose gloves. So myself, I wouldn't spend a lot of money on a hat of gloves set for a little kid because they're gonna lose them. So I would go to like Dollar Tree or to Walmart and get a least expensive one. And then you want to make sure you get them some nice long sleeve shirts. You don't want them too thick because remember, children, their bodies are already warm and they sweat and they get hot. So get them like the little 100% cotton or fleece shirts so they're warm. Then you want to make sure that your child has on an undershirt. Go over and look and get a pack of undershirts. You get the tank. Some boys like to wear what they see their dad and uncles whip on, so they may want the little tank t-shirt, or you can get the t-shirts with sleeves in it. But personally, I think a little kid is more comfortable in the tank one. That way, he's not that warm. All right, so we got his shirt on. Now, we got to get him some pants. Let's get them some nice pants that doesn't have holes in them. Let's find them some corduroys. They look so cute in the little corduroys. Oh, and bag up on the shirts. Get them a couple little turtlenecks so they be so cute and warm. And once you get their little corduroys and little jeans, oh, they gonna be so cute for the fall. Y'all know y'all been wearing those ankle socks all summer. So get that baby some socks that come up. That's gonna keep his little leg warm when that wind hit down around his little ankles. And for the shoes, personally, I don't like little kids in gym shoes in the wintertime. That's just my thing. I think that you should have on a winter shoe that keeps your foot warm, protects it from the moisture and the rain. We call it a tennis shoe, an athletic shoe, Jordan. That shoe is designed for your child's foot to breathe. That's just the way it's designed. So when we was kids, we had what was known as the desert boots. They sort of was made out of the same material that looks like the Ugg boot. So y'all love to buy design. So go on, get him some Uggs, get him some Uggs. I already know D-Star gonna get Lincoln some Uggs. But y'all know me, I'm going down in Dillard's and Stride Right and just find him some nice little winter shoes. So if you have a small child that wears up to a size 10, you can go to Dillard's and Stride Right and pick them out some nice shoes. If they over size 10 for Stride Right, you have to order it online. So we got our babies on their hat, their glove, their warm shirts, turtlenecks, corduroys. Woo! They ready to teach it. Come on in, baby. Oh, your mama love you. Look how nice he looking. Look how nicely he dressed. That's how we want that baby. A nice jacket. It's 39 degrees in Memphis this morning. So I didn't want to wear a heavy coat, but I did put on this and see how it has the fleece on the inside. So you may want to do that. I don't know if your child is walking to school, riding a bus, or if you're taking them to school. But if your child is at the bus stop, you want to most definitely make sure that child is warm. Something else, if your child is standing at a bus stop, the weather is changing. You want to make sure that you get your child a nice long raincoat. You don't want your baby sitting in the classroom wet all day. Get him a nice long raincoat. He can look cute short one is okay. for when you dropping them off in the car. But if that child standing at that bus stop, nice long raincoat or poncho with a hood. Now, let's go in the house. Take that summer cover off that bed, go up in that closet. You gonna get those nice blankets, those nice quilts that you washed before you put them away last summer. Pull them out. All that summer linen, put it in the washer. You gonna wash it, dry it, then put it away. Because we got to be prepared for the fall. But I don't know how or where y'all at. But in Memphis, y'all, it's supposed to be fall. But it's like it's already winter time. It's like we skipped the fall. So, you know, we got to make changes for the fall just like we do. Why they blinking at me? Must be some sheriffs. Do they do that where y'all live at too? But y'all know in the fall time, we have to make changes in our lives. The same way we make changes in our lives, we got to make change for our clothes and for our preparations. Saying that, let me say this to you all. I want everybody to have a happy fall season. Keep all my babies warm. Oh, I forgot. We got to make sure that we get our babies are drinking that orange juice every morning. Make sure your child drinks a half a cup of orange juice every morning. Hold on, I gotta watch this traffic. Y'all, it's a good thing everybody got a job. All these people that's got a job, we ain't got to worry about them trying to climb through your window. If you give your child a half a cup of orange juice every morning, then that's gonna keep that vitamin C level up, and your child won't be sniffling all fall and all winter. Let's make sure that we got the fever medicine in the cabinet, we got the cold medicine in the cabinet. And y'all actually don't want to spend a lot of money on that. Y'all know about Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree got it going on. You can go to Dollar Tree and get the children's cold medicine also. So we gonna take care of our babies. We gonna keep them warm. They gonna go to school, get good grades, so they can graduate, get up out your house, not be sleeping on your couch. But if they sick all the time, they're going to miss a lot of school, miss a lot of tests, they're going to fail, and you're going to be taking care of little Johnny and little Susie, okay? So let's keep them warm, give them everything they need, and make sure that they're going to school nice, warm, healthy, well, and all that good stuff. We all know in the fall, the leaves going to start falling, they're going to start changing colors. So sometime in your life, you need for things to start changing colors. But there are so many different things that we need to change for the fall. Y'all notice how the weather is changing, how everything is coming early. Here where I live at in Memphis, the Mississippi River is dry, y'all. I saw another story. Things are changing just crazy. You're not going to be able to get any crab legs. They say that up in Alaska, they don't know where the crabs at. The crabs are just gone. They don't know where they're at. My family lives in Minnesota, and I also have family in Milwaukee. They already have snow. That's even early for them to have snow this time of the year. So, I mean, hey, we need to make some spiritual changes, because I think with all those signs coming that God trying to show us that there are some things that he's not pleased with, we can say that it's climate change. We're destroying the earth. But when all that is over with and said and done, God is controlling this, and I think that he's trying to get our attention, because we going to church and we singing and we jumping and clapping our hands, and you know, some people burning their sage, burning their candles, whatever you do, but we're not changing our hearts and our souls the way that we need to. See how these leaves fall off up on the trees, y'all? They changing colors. Everything does what it's supposed to do except of us. We got to do like these seasons. We got to make the changes that we need to make, okay? Trying to think of some little activities maybe y'all could do with them in the fall. Oh, I know what you could do. The leaves are falling. You could go out with your babies, get the leaves, pick them up, talk to them about different color leaves, and let them know exactly what's going on in the seasons, you know, and why they changing and everything. Y'all know it's wintertime. In the summertime, I can't really rock my girls. I really can't rock them in the summertime, but I can rock them in the wintertime. I've been telling Destiny, I had a curly wig. Y'all may remember. I'm about to find a picture of myself in that wig. I cannot find that wig, but I did get in my closet and I found this baby. I found my girls. I found 3 of them. What I did was I washed them, actually hid them from myself. Y'all ever do that? Y'all ever hide anything from y'allself? But babe, I'm loving this. I'm liking this girl right here. What y'all think? Y'all know I like to wear my girls. We gonna call her Wavy and Sassy. Do y'all name y'all girls? I can give my husband a new look every week. Y'all let me know. Same way we making these changes. And for us, let's make the changes for the baby. SweetPea love y'all. Comment down below. Hugs and kisses. Everybody stay warm. Snuggle up. Talk to you the next time.